Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. During this corona pandemic, here again we have this lockdown and all the businesses have been closed down. Only the essential item shops are open. Otherwise, all non-essential shops like clothes and shoes are getting closed. Even kids' schools are getting closed before a week of holidays. Right, from the next week, holidays were about to start, but they close the schools 1 week before. So that is how we are spending our days, watching Netflix and just chilling around in the home. So I watched a series called Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives, and I there was so much criticism about this series, but still I watched it. And I don't know why people were criticizing it, because there were 5 lessons which I learned from this series. So I just wanted to share with you all the lessons which I learned from this series, and let me know if you agree with them. So first lesson I learned from this series is that that sponsorships can make you do anything. Like right now we make vlogs and we are so tight on budget, we don't have so much scope. But look, when they make a series, yeah, they are on a big scale, but still they are going on holidays. Then Qatar Airlines are sponsoring their flights, their hotel where they stay, then someone else is sponsoring their hotel. So everything, whatever, if they are eating in a restaurant, the dresses they are wearing, whatever they are doing, everything is free, everything is sponsored. So that is how we should make something, right? Everything free of cost. That is how these people become rich and richer. That is why their lives seem to be fabulous, because everything is free. Why our lives still so boring, so mundane? Because we have to lose our pockets, take out cash from our pockets. Second lesson which I learned from this series is that it is so difficult to learn a language in India. Whenever someone is speaking French, they are making fun of the accent. If someone is speaking in English, they are making fun of that accent. So that is why I was so much able to learn easily. I learned German so easily here, because no one was making fun of me. If I'm making some mistake, they will try to correct me and they will try to understand me, but they never ever made fun of me. That is why it was so easy to learn German when you are in Germany, but it is so difficult to learn any language when you are in India, because people are constantly making fun of you, and that is how you should not be. It should not be like that. A lesson which I learned, a very important lesson, that how friends should not behave. So if one friend is saying that I have an allergy from seafood, how can I take her to that restaurant which serves seafood? It will be very bad of me, right? But that is what they do in the series. So that is what I think, that friends should not behave like this, and I'm so lucky that my friends don't behave like this and I don't behave like that. Next lesson which I learned from this series is that money can't buy class. So no matter how much money one person can have, it is not necessary that they will be of that class, they will have a very high level of, money doesn't define the integrity of the person, money doesn't define the level, the mental attitude. So if mentally some person is not developed, what is the use of that money? Which I felt in the series whole over, that people were so fake. And I learned that okay, it doesn't matter how much money I have, at least, or how much the money other person have. For me, the only defining criteria of someone's wealth is the mental attitude of the person. If someone is constantly degrading the other person, constantly shaming the other person, or constantly arguing about some tiny things, and not all about aware of the society, real problems of the society, then what is the use of that wealth? So I really believe that after watching this series, that money doesn't define someone's mental wealth also. The most important lesson which I learned from this series is that anyone can make mistakes. Karan Johar, who produced this series, he is very talented, and I personally find him very intelligent and very, very, expert in his field. Same with Netflix. Netflix is full of, their whole team is full of experts, and they are also very talented and very knowledgeable people. When they can make the mistake of releasing such type of project, then who am I? I also do so many mistakes in my life, and I always feel guilty that, oh God, I'm so stupid. How can I be so, stupid to do such type of thing? But if Netflix can do such type of thing, or to release such type of project, and thinking that people will like it, And thank God it is Netflix. People didn't pay specially, they didn't go to specially to the theater to buy the ticket and then watch it. So it is still okay for the people that at least they are just sitting at home and they could change the some series, or they could change the channel, or they can just go to the kitchen or do somewhere else, go to even sleep while watching. So for them it was not such a big thing. But what was about that people, so expert people like Netflix and Karan Johar. So if I do mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes do happen. And Fabulous Lives of this Bollywood Wives is not at all that fabulous. And I really think it was all fake in real life. I really hope that they don't behave like this, because it is really very bad if they still behave like this, such a grown-up woman, and the way they treat their families, and the way they treat each other, and the way they treat themselves. It was really bad, going for Botox and some stupid therapies. I really think that and they are not so in the real life. And because these Fabulous Lives of Bollywood is not at all fab, and it really taught me very important lessons. And I hope you liked my reasons for about my opinion about this series. And write to me in the comment box, what do you think about this series if you haven't watched it, and are you planning to watch it? Because it is on Netflix, it is free. You can go to sleep if you don't like it, you can change the channel if you don't like it. But please do let me in the comment box if you also watched some series, and what was your you disliked it very much, or what was your strong opinion about something. I hope you liked my video and you like the scenery behind me. It is so beautiful today. It is a bit cold here, but still weather is very good and very pleasant. If you like my content, if you like the scenery, beautiful scenery of Germany, then please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.